At the bottom of the Sacramento River, they found Nick Howard's Mazda 626. Inside of the car, the only trace of Nick was his eyeglasses. Nick's body is nowhere to be seen. Another curious thing they found was an empty bottle of Valvoline motor oil in the trunk, which probably had been the source of the motor oil found all over the dash and front seats of the vehicle. And more significantly, they found the cap of this bottle wedged into the throttle. Investigators were beginning to feel that the crash had been staged.